This tool builds websites from a single prompt. No code, no design skills, just type what you want, and let AI do the rest. In this demo, we'll use Framer AI to build a complete website in under 30 seconds. Watch closely. First, we enter a simple prompt, a modern portfolio site for a freelance designer with an About section, projects, and a contact form. That's it. One click, and boom. In seconds, the site is live. It's beautifully designed, fully responsive, and scroll-ready. You can explore each section, customize text and images, and even adjust the layout, all without writing a single line of code. Want to publish? Just connect your domain and hit publish. Your site is live. For developers or tinkerers, GPT can also generate HTML and CSS from a prompt. Just paste it into CodePen or your editor and go custom. Whether you're a creator, freelancer, or startup, this is the future of web design. Try it now and create your own site in 30 seconds.